Welcome back to TREPI. I'm here with Perez, who is the co-founder and chairman of New Valence Robotics, or NVBOTS. So we're talking about 3D printing today. I'll put the link in the description to NVBOTS at NVBOTS.com, but if you want to see a new startup every week, subscribe down below before we get started.
So NVBOTS was founded in 2014 as a spin-out from MIT, focused on solving pain around making 3D printers easy to use and easy to share. It was 4 of us, my 3 co-founders and I, and we wanted to be able to use the 3D printer around the clock to create a lot of prototypes. So what we did is we created a system that would allow you to send jobs through the cloud, and one that would automatically eject the part and start the next job with no human. And lo and behold, we invented a system that allows you to submit as many parts from as many people as you want that go job after job after job after job. This is the NVPro. There's no buttons on the NVPro because all of your interactions that you have with it are done remotely, and you do that from the NVCloud. The NVCloud is a software package that allows you to manage your printers and whoever wants to share your printer with you, all of the users, all the files, and your print queue from any device with 0 downloads required. I see 3 common use cases. It's education, innovation, and commercialization.
Okay.
And within education, it's where learning happens. Innovation is where new products are designed, and commercialization is when you're going through the manufacturing process of the new product.
Why are you so passionate specifically about making 3D printing more accessible? What is driving you for that mission?
So when we started the company very early on, we were extremely focused on education and empowering the next generation of builders and inventors. And my personal view is the education that I got from MIT was a really, really powerful, game-changing thing for my life. And a lot of that had to do with the brand value of the school, but then also the way that they approach education.
Learning.
The motto of the school is Mens et Manus, which means coupling book learning with hands-on learning. And this technology, 3D printing, has the potential to enable any school around the world to provide that type of hands-on experience to the students with the bare minimum training and learning cost on the side of the academic and the teacher. You don't need to have its own standalone class on 3D printing. You can use this in a history class. You can use this in a biology class. So it has this potential to be transformative in an education environment. And the reason I care so much about that education environment is the next generation, the next 20 to 40 years of engineers are in school now, learning now these things that they need to know to be a practical engineer. And having been a nerd myself and studying with books and doing well in classes, I learned the classes that are most practical to actually being a part of the human world are the ones that are hands-on. It's not just about enabling kids to make things. The first and foremost thing that happens with this technology is it enables teachers to make things. So when the radius or the ulna on the human skeleton breaks in the anatomy class and that teacher has to wait until the entire next year to buy the new one,
so true.
They get a mid-year replacement part. And it's at the same economics where they could give enough to every student to take home at the same price that they're paying for that conventional supply chain part.
It's already saved about 160,000 human labor hours since they launched NVPro 12 months ago.
Yeah.
When people say the future is coming, the future is already here with 3D printing because they're able to print without humans even involved in the process. To learn more about NVBOTS or order for yourself, go to NVBOTS.com and visit them on Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, and Instagram.
Thank you.